Hello, my sweet and little friends. Welcome to my channel. Learn with ease. Today, we will learn the phonic sound of B. Before starting, let us have a recap of alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Now let's start with the sound of B. Zoom. What is the sound of B? Ba. Sound of B. Ba. Ba. Bat. Ba. Butterfly. Now let us see more words with the sound of B. Ba. Bag. Ba. Bee. Ba. Bun. Ba. Boat. Wonderful. Are you ready for the boom? To learn more sounds of B with other alphabets. Boom. Now see, who is this? A. What is the sound of A? Do you know the sound of A? Have you seen my last video on the phonic sound of A? If you haven't seen, friends, go and watch my last video on the phonic sound of A. Now, what is the sound of B? Ba. And what is the sound of A? A. Now join these two sounds. Ba, a. Ba, a. Ba, ba. Ban, ban. Ba, a. Bad, bad. Ba, a. Bar, chocolate bar. Now, what is this? E. Now join these two sounds. What is the sound of B? Ba. And what is the sound of E? A. A. Now join these two sounds. Ba. A. Ba. A. Bed. 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 Ba. A. Be. Bell. Ba. A. Beg. Beg. I beg your pardon, Mama. What is this? I. What is the sound of B? Now you tell me, what is the sound of B? You learned? Ba. And what is the sound of I? E. Now join these two sounds. Ba, E. Ba, E. B. Big. Big. B. Bin. Ba, E. B. Bin. Don't litter waste here and there. What is the next sound? O. What is the sound of B? Ba. And what is the sound of O? O. Now join these two sounds. Ba, O. Ba, O. Bow. Boy. Boy. Ba. O. Bo. Box. Box. Now let us see what is next. U. What is the sound of B? Speak with me. Ba. And what is the sound of U? A. A. Now join these two sounds. Ba. A. Ba. A. Ba. Bus. Bus. Ba. Bug. Bug. Very good. Give me a high five. You learned so many words with the sound of B. Now you have become so smart. Wonderful. Soon I will be back with my new video on the phonic sound of C. So to get the latest updates and get the new videos, subscribe and like my channel. Till then, goodbye. Take care.